This is how to crochet these straight edges so you will have them in every project every time. So as you can see here, I have started with the foundation chain and I have worked on single crochet in the second loop from the hook back again as we normally work in rows. So what we're gonna do when we have finished the first row is to chain one more extra loop, and this one will work as our turning loop, and then we will turn our project. So as you can see here, I will work in the very next loop just after the turning chain. And I will go ahead and work until the end of this row. So when I have finished the second row, I will chain one more extra loop, the turning loop, and turn our project. And then I will repeat. So I'm showing you here the turning loop and the first loop of the row. I will work in the first loop of the row, not the turning loop, and go ahead and chain until we reach the end of this row. And this is the result, straight edges.